everybody, this is Doug at Willy Nilly's. A little windy today. Wind's 18 to 21, maybe a little higher. It's not pleasant for that. I promise you guys get a video up of this thing flying. This is the one everybody saw at Toledo. Just rotor and elevator, no ailerons. Weighs 175 grams, ready to go. It's got our standard quarter A power pack, 1407, 2800 kV, swinging a 6x3 prop on 2S350 battery. Using our 4-channel FR Sky receiver. Wheel pants are included in the kit. That's a question we've been getting quite a bit about the wheel pants. Those are included. So, let's see. I guess might as well go ahead and fly. Left, up, down. Let's see what happens here. If I can get up. Okay. And we're off. Yep, flies good. Rudder roll. You can see going downwind, probably make it stop going upwind. Nice rudder roll. No gyros on this one either. I like to think when you design a good airplane, it's aerodynamically sound, you don't need gyros. It would help today, though, in this gusty wind. But most people don't normally fly in wind like this. So, as you can see, just rotor and elevator can do just fine, even when it's rather violently windy. It's a nice presence in the air. Can't wait to have a good day so we can get some good video. Right now this kind of gives you an idea of what it's capable of. It's really nice. Snap roll, even with just rudder and elevator. Right over my head, that's never good. Alright, so hopefully we've proven even today how nice a flying airplane this is. And I'm going to try to set it down. Oh, almost stayed on the gear. Well, there you have it, guys. There's a quick flight on the Simple Citabria. This uses our new Ace Mini Foam Wing 75. What the 75 represents is 75% of the original size of the Ace Mini Foam Wing. So you can print off any plan that uses the Ace Wing on the outer zone or wherever at 75%. Have one this size, use our wing, and you've got a really good chance of coming in under the 250 grams and having an awesome flying airplane. We'll have the tapered wing out here in the next week or two. Hopefully in time for Dayton we'll have a few. We already have the constant cord Ace Mini Foam Wings 75s in stock, ready to ship. And we just made another batch of Simple Citabrias back in stock. Please be sure to stop by the willynillys.com group on Facebook. Lots of pictures, lots of activity. Over 2,500 members on there. So lot of good information, and the bad information is vetted rather quickly. If you have any questions, email us through the contact form on our website. It's a support ticket type system, so your email will be seen and responded to. We appreciate every one of you. So have fun. God bless.